So our second step here is we're going to write an equation, and Renita paid $350 for the year. And we're told also that she went to 30 sessions. And remember that 30 sessions, you're going to be charged R dollars because we're letting R represent the rate per session. So the amount for 30 sessions is going to be 30 sessions times R, or in other words, the amount charged per session. Calvin, and also, can't forget about the annual membership fee, which is going to be A. He's going to pay 30 times the amount per session plus the annual membership fee. Calvin, on the other hand, paid $450, and he went to 50 sessions, so he would have paid 50 sessions times the amount per session plus the annual membership fee as well. So the two equations we've got for Renita, it's 350 is equal to 30 times R plus A. For Calvin, it's 450 is equal to 50R plus A, 50 times R plus A. So now what we can do is, here's our linear system. We're going to subtract because remember we have the same coefficient on the A, for the A, coefficient of 1 and a coefficient of 1, so we can subtract these two linear equations in order to solve the linear system. So we'll be eliminating A here. So 350 minus 450 is negative 100. 30R minus 50R is negative 20R, and A minus A is 0. So we end up with, then, when we divide both sides by negative 20, in order to solve for R, we get R is equal to negative 100 divided by negative 20. So R is equal to 5. And that means then that the amount per session is $5. So we're going to sub R equals 5 into our second equation. Sorry, our first equation for 350 is equal to 30R plus A. So when we sub in for R equals 5, we end up with then 350 is equal to 30 times 5, which is 150, plus A. We subtract 150 from both sides, and we end up with A is equal to 200. And remember, A represented the annual membership fee. R was the amount charged per session. So we're going to answer the question now. Therefore, the annual membership fee is $200, and each session costs $5. For the next question, the Environment Club at your school has decided to organize a fine paper recycling in the building as a way of helping the environment and also to raise money. The club can sell each ton of fine paper collected for $125. However, it costs $750 to buy recycling bins and $80 per ton to cart the paper to the recycler. We want to write an equation that gives the total cost for recycling for X tons of paper. So we're going to try and figure out here. Now the cost is going to be $750. And if we recycle X tons, well, $80 times, so it's going to be $80 per ton. And we're going to let X represent the number of tons recycled. And we're going to let C represent the cost of the recycling. So our equation is C is equal to $750, which again is the cost of the recycling bins, plus $80 per ton to cart the paper to the recycler. We're going to write another equation now for total income for recycling X tons of paper. And so for each ton, they collect $125. So the income is going to be $125 per ton. So the income, or the amount of money collected, is equal to 125x. So now what we can do is use one of the methods of solving linear systems, and we're going to then figure out what the break-even point is. So how many tons they have to collect in order to break even.